My older sister has never in her entire 35 or 36, honestly, I'm not even sure how old she is, ever put acrylic nails on. So I decided I wanted to give her her first set and made sure that they were super bougie. I'm sorry, that was like really extra, but anyway, I had to obviously prep her nails, and like, yo, her cuticles were so thick, almost had to pull out, you know those like those like hedge trimmers that they use on the bushes, almost had to pull one of those out. But anyway, I don't know if you guys noticed in the beginning of the video, I probably should have said this first, but she has this like formal event that she has to go to, and actually I'm going to it as well. But she wanted to match her nails like closely to the dress that she's wearing. And I'm no color mixer maker person, but you know, the purple that I made is like kind of similar to the dress, so you know, nobody will really notice unless they're, you know, really staring, which, you know what, they probably will, because these babies came out nice. I don't know why I woke up in such a good mood today. Like, it's November right now, I'm living in New Jersey at the moment, and it's like 60 degrees outside. Usually by now I'd be like pulling out the winter coat, winter boots, and snow shovels. That was dramatic. It doesn't really snow like until December or January, but you know, still, bro, you can't even look at the shape. Look at that shape. Those little squares, like, I bet you those are some nice 90-degree angles. I don't even know what I'm talking about, honestly. Oh, shit. I'm sorry. I forgot how nice they look. Oh, and the butterflies. Oh, that French, though. Oh, my, you know what? I just remembered. Look how awkward my sister is. Oh, so awkward. What is she doing? She's tickling the air.
I'm about to express some anger right now because I witnessed something today that really made my blood boil. So I work in retail and I see a lot of shit go down, but today, oof. These 3 people came in today. They're about my age. It was 2 girls and 1 guy. One of the girls was holding hands with the guy, and I was like, okay, they're like boyfriend, girlfriend, whatever. And then the other girl, I'm assuming, is like the best friend. The girlfriend approaches me and is like, hey, I'm looking for the stylish shoe. Do you have it? And I was like, yeah, it's in the back corner. So she goes back to go get it. The boyfriend and the best friend stay up kind of by the front. They're like giggling and kind of flirting and kind of being really sketchy, but I wasn't going to worry about it because I was like, that's not my business. The boyfriend takes the best friend to the other side of the store to where the girl can't see and starts like kissing her neck. So I'm like, oh, tea. They're like groping each other in the store like handful of ass. I don't know why they thought they were sly about it, because everybody and their grandmother could see what they were doing except for the girlfriend. So while they're doing their thing, they don't notice that the girlfriend starts walking back to them. So in my mind, I'm like, oh my god, some shit's about to go down. This poor sweet baby sees them, and you can see the disappointment and the sadness in her eyes, but she just walks away. So because I saw the whole thing go down, I thought it was like my job to be a good human, so I went back to go talk to her. I walked up to her and I was like, hey girl, I just saw the whole thing. How are you doing? She's like, I don't know what to do. Like, that's my best friend and my boyfriend. I don't want to lose them. I was like, girl, that is not a real best friend if she's cheating with your man, and that is not a true boyfriend who loves you if he's cheating with your best friend. Cheating at all! She's like, I don't want to tell them yet because we had these plans for Valentine's Day and I'm so excited about them. I stopped her in the middle of her sentence because I was like, dude, last Valentine's Day, my boyfriend at the time told me I was going to Hawaii with him, and then 5 days before we were supposed to go to Hawaii, he cheated and then took the girl he cheated on me with on my trip. If I would have said nothing about him cheating, I would have been stuck on an island with a boy who broke my heart, and that would suck. So I'm like, girl, I know exactly how you're feeling right now. You don't deserve to feel like that. No one does. She's like, I don't know how to approach it. Like, it's so awkward. Awkward or not, baby, you gotta let him know how you're feeling, because that's not okay. Mind you, I've never met this girl in my life. I have no idea who she is. So she looked at me and she was like, I have a lot of anxiety right now. I don't think I can do it. Can you do it? And I'm like, you want me to tell your boyfriend and your best friend that I just caught them cheating and you know? Okay, yeah, sure. Okay. I told her that I thought she should be the one to do it, but she insisted on it being me, so I was like, okay. I walk up to them and I'm like, hey guys, how you doing? And they're like, oh, we're good, how are you? And I'm like, I'm not doing so well. What's your name? The boy's like, my name's Darren, this is Sydney. Darren and Sydney, right. Well, I just want to let you guys know that you guys are fucking gross for doing what you just did, and you really hurt someone by doing it. They're acting all clueless. They're like, what are you talking about? I was like, the fact that you're cheating on your girlfriend with your best friend and the fact that you're a shitty best friend, that's what I'm talking about. They're just all quiet, and I'm like, I don't want to be rude, but I suggest you buy something or leave. The other girl starts crying.